All right, we're building this 125. I got my tool set, my crank splitter, harmonic balance takeoffer, and some spare tools, impact. All right, well, let's get into it. First of all, the story goes like this. My buddy Dan calls me up. Yo, B, we got a problem. You know, we got a guy, my buddy just bought a 125. Used, decent price, full motor rebuild by a local Honda shop. Crack case, probably over tightened. The studs are not even Honda studs. They were just studs they probably got from a local hardware store. Because the bolts were only halfway threaded on when the cylinder was on. No dowel pins for the cylinder at all. Free floating cylinder pretty much, you know, could be put anywhere else. The exhaust valve was not clocked right. So it was literally open the whole time. It could not pull down any further. As I get into it, I find out, you know, the bushings on the swing arm were used as washers and not actually bushings. I just see now this water pump weep hole was siliconed over. Wow. Whew. I need to take this thing apart and double check their work. So let's get into this. I've done so many of these motors that I could literally throw all the bolts to the side. So when taking this cover off, check that you got all your bolts off and the exhaust valve off. Look, it was JB welded. They JB welded it on the inside, which is not a good idea because it could flake off and then fall into your motor, well, your transmission, your clutch system, and wreck it. Dumb. I wouldn't recommend buzzing these bolts off, all of them, with a impact because they tend to snap, these clutch bolts, but I don't trust them and I think we should be replaced anyway. There is a nice little lip on this, so I think the inner and outer clutch hub will be replaced. These tabs are folded over. Okay, pop that off. This basket is completely shot. Look at that. sure you get this washer, which is not the correct washer. If I'm not mistaken, a washer right here, a washer right there, which is not there anymore. It's gone. This washer doesn't look factory. Hold down the piston, pops off. Nice, good deal. Let's make sure this is all right. Ain't even right. Look at that. Oh my God, they didn't even, oh, well, I'm getting excited and not explaining. Let's see. There should be cups and springs. Okay, let's see. The cups are in here, it looks like. They just reversed the order, which is dumb. Spring goes in, and then this rides along this surface. You know, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Spring doesn't ride on these areas. Wow. Wow. That's a 12 deep. Get this out, get this in. This thing pulls right off, super nice. So maybe this will work, I don't know. Yeah, no problem, all right. Oh my God, how tight do you need this little tiny bolt? It makes me sad. Fine. What the heck is this? That's spring, look at that, bing, spring steel. Very nice. I fixed up bike, beep boop bop. All right, now double check your bolts. The cases, it's about time to split these bad boys. No. Good. Everything looks decent. I'm going to pop this out here. So you got a dowel pin here, missing dowel here. Let's check this side. No dowel. So they lost the dowel on this part too. I sure hope that these casings have dowels. We'll see. Double check everything. Make sure you got nothing left. No shift components. All the bolts are out. We don't want to be a noob and try to frickin' yank this case apart and crack it. Usually when you take these apart, don't forget about the washers. They always stick to the bearings. Jurisdiction is in. She's gonna have to be every single piece cleaned flawlessly and put back together like some type of puzzle. Every washer, every bushing is gonna have to be felt and measured to figure out if it was in the right spot. And any washer that I suspect was wrong shall be bought new. So, the casings, though, look like they survived this idiocy. The idiocy of Honda. If this is true, I, once again, don't know if Honda did this. God, I would hope that they would know. But, you know, hire the first mechanic that gets paid literally probably I don't even know about $10 an hour. Probably minimum wage, you know? What the hell does he care? He throw this thing together, no problem. Oh, look, it works, Daddy. Yeah, but it don't run. It don't even go wide open. All right, guys. I am done for the night. We'll do the cleanup, time lapse of all these parts, and the putting back of this puzzle together, comparing bolts and washers. And this thing's gonna rip when I'm done. It's all about miles per hour. You know what I'm saying? It's a 125. So see you later. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And if there ain't no blood in the picture, it ain't no good. And I also hope that when I get into this head, I hope that it's okay. I sure hope it's okay. All right. Until next time.